AY multi-character, animating with AY multi-character. I already have a character that had been generated and exported as a blend file named Bill. So I'm going to import that into this new scene. I'm going to link it. So you go to file and then go to link, and I'm going to look for the character here, Bill. So link Bill, then go to collection and click on AY male GP. So now I have my Bill character in this scene. So the next thing I want to do to make this animatable, I need to go to object, relations, and click on make library override. So once you click on make library override, then you have access to the rig. So I would like to go to the post mode for my rig here and change one or two things. I want the arm to be an FK. I'm going to do that for the other arm as well. And now to animate this character, I already have an animated action imported into Blender, and that's what I'm going to use for this character. So go to, make sure you are under the action editor and then select the action, and this is what you have. AY multi-character animated.